Hello everybody, today I'm going to tell you about what is spirits guides and what are ghosts and what is pendulum, Ouija boards and all, how it can be used. So definitely we all people think that ghosts are there and ghosts are alive. Okay, हम लोग ये सोचते हैं कि ghost लोग बहुत alive होते हैं and most people think that ghosts are around us and कुछ लोगों को तो लगता है कि बहुत तरह तरह की फीलिंग्स आती है उससे बस बट या गोस्ट डू एग्जिस्ट कुछ जगहों में एंड कुछ जगहों में देर आर मोस्टली स्पिरिट गाइड्स एंड कुछ जगहों में देर आर मोर evils. There are more like evil type of ghost spirits. So mostly these spirits don't harm us. Even I deal with daily spirits in my daily world of tarot, and through my intuition I can feel there are spirits around. Like many people think, उनको लगता है कि हमारे आसपास spirits नहीं होती है, but spirits are there. And if you are doing any kind of prayers, anything, it is like mostly we are keeping God in our subconscious mind, but mostly people don't know that God, Goddess, Gurus are only a part of our subconscious mind. ये हमारे दिमाग का कुछ लोगों का बना रखा है कुछ लोगों ने, एंड कुछ लोगों के हिसाब से स्पिरिट्स होती है जो उनको आसपास मदद कर रही होती है. एंड दैट इज़ ट्रू गाइज. लाइक वेन एवर यू आर विद योर working with your prayers, you mostly see that spirits are around. And especially when it comes to your witchcraft, you work with your all 5 elements of earth: fire, air, water, air, earth. Okay, so it is like that. So spirits are everywhere around us. हमारे जो आसपास जो spirits हैं अभी, and plus हम लोग उन्हें feel कर सकते हैं literally. Like I can feel the surroundings of my spirits. Like sometimes at night I can feel it too. And whenever I do tarot reading, I take help of the spirits. Mostly tarot readers take help of spirits, angels, and universe also. So spirits are everywhere. And mostly witches work with elements, and things tend to become true out whenever you let go. So things turn out to be true. So it happens like that basically. Whenever you surrender to the universe or to your spirit guides, they will help you to make everything come true. And ऐसा नहीं है कि स्पिरिट सारे बुरे होते हैं, और इवन like people says कि black magic is bad. It is nothing like that, people. Like mostly witches who are doing even black magic, they are trying to help you. They are not harming you, right? If they harming you, they are doing that like evil black magic. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि black magic सिर्फ evil चीज़ों से जुड़ा हुआ हो. Black magic बहुत चीज़ों से जुड़ा होता है. Even there is good thing in helping people. So people take help of mostly black magic, tantrics and all. They all are not bad. They don't harm anyone. And tantric word is very old ancient word. So tantric even do black magic, white magic, all types of magic. Same goes in witchcraft. There are so many kind of witches. Okay, and even so many tarot card readers, even there are witches. जो इंडिया में बहुत कम लोग यहाँ आपको ओपन कर पाते हैं, बिकॉज इंडिया में हर विचेस को बुरा टैग दिया जाता है, एंड दे आर टेंड टू बी टोल्ड बैड एंड थ्रो नेगेटिव वाइब्स आउट. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. सो इट इज़ जस्ट अ स्मॉल वार्निंग और वहम बोल सकते हैं, जो लोगों ने बना दिया है अपने माइंड में कि ऐसे ऐसे है, ऐसा ऐसा होना चाहिए, या ऐसा ऐसा है, ये हमें हार्म कर सकते हैं. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, बिलीव मी. इवन आई टेक हेल्प ऑफ स्पिरिट, आई डू हीलिंग वर्क, I do help people with my Reiki healing, angelic healing, crystal healing, and with the help of my spirit guides. And things do turn, but you need to have faith before you work out with any healer or any psychic or any witches, wicca, pagan. Okay, because they are doing their work. It's all universe that they are doing everything on divine timing. So it is like that. And spirits are definitely around us, guys. Please know that if you don't know. They are all around us, be it your ancestors, be it angels, be it evil or anyone. If you will be scared of them, they will harm you. If you want to communicate to them, you can communicate to them in very simple, easy way. Like you can take a candle, आप कैंडल ले सकते हैं कोई भी, चाहे ब्लैक कलर की हो, वाइट कलर की, कोई भी कलर की, doesn't matter. you can do it definitely. If you can't, just come with me, I will help you. And if you want to do class how to communicate with spirits, and I can help you to communicate with them. And definitely they don't harm us. If you feel like your spirits want to say something, so definitely you can take help from them. And yes, I was talking about pendulum. I'll be soon starting my YouTube readings with pendulum. Over here you can see I use this for my client reading. This is amethyst. This is amethyst crystal over here. It is very good for making sharp psychic minds, making your instinct clear. So this helps you to like totally like meditate around. Like I keep amethyst with me. Most of the leaders keep amethyst with them, even psychic. And even carnelian is known very good stone, which is like it beat up all the crystal stones around. So yes, I'll be using this pendulum, which only give work with a direction, and I will be using both my spirit help again and pendulum help again while reading. If you want to see the example, come, I'll show you now. So pendulum guide me, will my readers will get success? If it is yes, please go straight. If it is no, please come back. Okay, now I'll start. I'm not moving my hand, guys. You can just see how it is moving, and it will show the direction. I've already told, please show me the direction if my client subscribers of YouTube will get success or not. If it is yes, please say yes. If it is no, please come back to me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Spirits, please guide me. Pendulum, please guide me. एंड ये सब गाइस एनर्जीज होती हैं, वो पूरी नहीं होती है, एंड ये आपको हार्म नहीं करेंगे. अगर आप उनसे अच्छे से पेश आएंगे, डेफिनेटली आपको हार्म नहीं करेंगे. एंड यू नीड टू बी थैंकफुल फॉर योर spirits, angels around, ancestors around. Okay, so they won't harm you guys. Believe me. I do it, I work with them, and I work with my spirits, guys. They will help you definitely. So ये आगे की ओर जा रहा है definitely. So it is a yes answer. So I'll be using my pendulum board definitely, and OG board is basically to invoke spirits again, energies around us. But no energies are bad. If you want to send them back, just be thankful to OG board and just say them goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Simple way. So OG is also not harmful, but some of the spirits are harmful in it. And this was the only my little bit announcement. I know थोड़ा irritating लग रहा है आप लोगों को. So don't forget to subscribe my channel at the rate of Mysterious Girl Soumya, and top 5 fastest subscribers. Follow my Instagram, tag your friends. You can tag your friends with comments in my YouTube also, and with heart. So when you'll get my love to you, then there are chances your friend and you will definitely get one free reading for sure. Whenever you come later, you have to pay and do, because this is a proper professional, guys. इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट जाती है एंड बहुत एनर्जी गिव एंड टेक का मामला होता है. कभी कभी फ्री एनर्जीज वर्क नहीं करती है कुछ जगह. ओके, सो इट इज़ लाइक दैट. So thank you everybody. Thank you for your love and support. Bye bye.